Hi guys, today I'm in RobloxStudio and I'm going to show you how to make a simple obby on RobloxStudio. So as you can see, I'm on a base plate, it's a template, and I have this spawning, which is called a neutral spawn. If I scroll down, I can see there's a neutral spawn. So if I wanted to spawn anywhere, it could just spawn me there. So what you could do, you could go to. I'm gonna make this like a lava obby. So I have a lava block. So now these scripts, they basically are just kind of things to help you. So now I have this. Now what I can do is I'm going to just make it as big as possible. So I'm going to just drag it across, and I'm going to just drag the other way too. Now I'm going to drag this that way, and I'm going to drag it the other way. So now it's perfect. Now what we can do is now we can move the spawn. So if I can click on it, I have to zoom in a bit. And I'm on a tab called move. So once I did that, I'm just going to push it down that way. I'm going to click the blue arrow. And I think it's okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in. And now I'm going to make this obby bit, which is part of the obby. So first of all, I'm going to get something like a studded block apart. So I'm going to try to scale it. And I'm going to try to scale it. So I'm trying to scale it this time. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scale it a bit that way. Scale it a bit that way. Scale it a bit that way. Scale it up. So I'm going to move it a bit down. And perfect. That's easy. Now I'm going to search up lava. Again, lava block. And I'm going to get lava block. That's why hasn't been rated, but it's can't kill you, so that's good. So now I'm just going to rotate it. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to scale it. And I'm going to do it the other way too again. And I'm going to click Control. I'm going to move it down a bit. I'm going to click Control plus C. I'm going to do Control plus V. Copy and paste basically. Then I do it again. And then I just get another lava block. And I push it down. Control plus C. Control plus C. Oh. Looks like it looks like it's a bit levitating off ground. So what I could do is I could push it down. Okay. There. Now I click select and then I just push it. And now if I click play, but I don't think we'll want to click play yet. But this is the main base plate. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this and move it. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to do this again. Okay. So now I click play. So this makes me a little preview of what the normal person would see. Turn on this and jump, and I oofed. Now it's because I touched the lava. I didn't touch the lava though, and I don't know why I keep touching the lava, but I'm really bad at this game. And then immediately when I jump, it just kills me. And I just jumped in a block. I don't know what. So if I click stop, I think it's got something to do with the thingy and the lava blocks being too close together. So I'm gonna space them out a bit more. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to try it again. And now if I click jump, I immediately die. So if I jump, I keep touching the lava for some reason. Oh, I get it now. The spawn is touching the lava, so that's why it's killing me every time I jump. So what I need to do is I need to not move these blocks, but move this thing, the spawn, a bit up. So now what I've done that. Now I'm going to try it again to see what happens if I jump and die. So I have this, I'm spawned into this area and I'm not dying because of the spawn this time. And I'm trying my best to survive this thing. But it looks like I accidentally touched the lava block. So now, yeah, so this is how you make an easy game. But if you want to like teleport to certain parts of your obby and try that part only, then what you could do is you could delete the spawn and put a new spawn where you wanted to start. Now I'm going to just move it that way a bit because these two are close together. Too close together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just try do things like if I want to get to a certain part of the obby, click lava and I have lava block, killing lava block, everything lava block. Lava obby part spinner, which is really good. I'll place that my lava obby part spinner. And so I'm going to click Control plus V. I'm going to click my lava pot spinner. I'm going to put it there. I'm going to set it down a bit. And I think I need to put it up a bit. But let's see what happens. So I think that's it. So if I click play, so you can see that something is not spinning there, but you can also see some gentle flames over there. So I think that I think there's something wrong with that part. So I'm going there, and now I can't click it. I'm clicking select and I can't click it. So that's the end of the video. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Bye.